Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are good. This is your maths class and today I am starting unit 9 more on division, and today we will do review worksheet 3 also. So my dear students, open page number 87. This is page number 87 and here unit 9 more on division. Okay, here we will learn division with regrouping. Okay, let's see one example. Divide 56 by 4. Okay, so 56 by 4. So first read the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, subtract 5 minus 4 1. Now bring down 6 here. Okay, now again read the table of 4. 4 4 ja 16. Okay, so here answer is our 14. Quotient is 14 and remainder is 0. Okay, so like this is regrouping. Okay, now here are some more examples here. Okay, now exercise time. At page number 88 here, exercise 9a. Question number 1, divide and check the answer. So first A part, 52 divide by 2. Okay, so look here, 52 divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Now 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 2. Okay, now this become 12. Okay, now read the table of 2. 2 6 ja 12. So here percentage 26. Okay, remainder 0 and divisor is 2 and dividend 52. So what is the rule? Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. So quotient is 26 multiply divisor is 2 plus remainder is 0. So answer is our 52. Okay, this is our dividend. Okay, by mistake I have written here 26. This is 52. Okay. Now B part you have to do like this. 3 1 ja 3. Subtract 4 minus 3 1. Then bring down 4. 3 4 ja 12. Now here remainder is 2. Okay. Now divided at here 44. 14 multiply 3 quotient multiply divisor plus 2 yani remainder equal to 42 plus 2 44. This is our dividend. Okay, so our answer is correct. Now C and D is your homework. Now question number 2, only divide by regrouping. 526 divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4 1. Then bring down 2. 2 6 ja 12 0. Now bring down 6 here. 2 3 ja 6. Now subtract, remainder is 0. Okay, so our quotient is 263. Okay, now here B part, look, 194 divide by 3. So 3 6 ja 18 first. Now subtract 9 minus 8 1 minus 1 0. Now bring down 4 here. It becomes 14. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so subtract 4 minus 2 2. So here remainder is 2. So answer quotient 64 and remainder 2. Okay, now C and D is your homework. Now question number 3. So for it, take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 9A. Question number 3rd, A part. 42 divided by 3. So do like this. First 3 1 जा 3, 4 minus 3 subtract करेंगे, so 1. Now bring down 2 here. Now it become 12. Read again table of 3. 3 4 जा 12. So answer is 14 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so quotient 14. Okay, write like this. Okay, now here B part 58 divide by 4. Divide 4 1 जा 4. Subtract 1 here. Now bring down 8 here. 4 4 जा 16. Subtract remainder is 2. Okay, now remainder is here 2. So write the answer like this. 58 divided by 4 equal to 14 and remainder 2. Okay, now C, D, E is your homework. Now question number 4. A part 53 divided by 2. 2 2 is 4. Subtract 1. Bring down 3 here. Now it become 13. 2 6 is 12. Okay, now subtract. So remainder is 1. Okay, so write the answer. Quotient is 26 and remainder is 1. Okay, like this you have to do B part also. Now C, D, E is your homework. Okay, now question number 5. 542 divided by 2. Okay, so first divide like this. 2 2 is 4. So subtract 5 minus 4 1. Now bring down 4 here. It become 14. Now 2 7 is 14. Subtract 0. Now bring down 2 here like this. Okay, now 2 1 is 2 minus remainder is 0. Okay, so 542 divided by 2 equal to 271. Okay, now the B part I have done for you. So take help from here. Like this you have to do. Now C, D, E is your homework. Now question number 6. A part 560 divided by 5. So divide like this. First 5 1 is 5. Subtract 0. Now bring down 6 here. Now 5 1 is 5 again. Subtract 1. Now bring down 0 here. Now 5 2 is 10. Subtract 0 0. So here quotient is 112 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Okay, and C, D, E is your homework. Now question number 7. A part 637 divided by 7. Okay, so read the table of 7. So 6 is not in the table of 7, so read for 63. Okay, so 6 7 9 is 63. Okay, 7 9 is 63. So here 0 0. Now bring down 7. 7 1 is 7 and remainder is 0. So the quotient is 91. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Here in B part remainder is 1. Now C, D, E is your homework. Okay, now the question number 8. 923 divided by 4. First 4 2 is 8. Subtract 1. Now bring down to 4 3 ja 12. 0 0. Now bring down 3 here 0 times. Okay, 0 times. So now here 3 minus 0 3. So the percentage 230 and the remainder is 3. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also, and C, D, E is your homework. Now question number 9. 5514 divide by 6. Okay, so first divide, read the table of 6. 6 9 ja 54. Okay, now subtract, so 1 remaining. Now bring down this one. Okay, now this become 11. Now read the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12 is more than 11, so 6 1 ja 6. Subtract 11 minus 6 5. Now bring down 4 here. It become 54 now. 6 9 ja 54. Okay, so like this. Percentage 919 and remainder is 0. Okay, now the B part you have to do like this. In B part here remainder is 2. So write the answer like this. Okay, now C, D, E is your homework. Now the question number 10. 4216 divided by 6. So divide. 6 7 ja 42. Subtract 0 0. Now 1. Only 1 is here. So 1 6 0 ja 0. 0 times आपका डिवाइड होगा. 1 minus 0 1. Now it becomes 16. Bring down 6 here. It becomes 16. Now 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18 is more than, so 6 2 ja 12. Subtract 4 is the remainder. So answer is 702 and remainder 4. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Okay, now C, D, E is your homework. Now the question number 11. A part 90 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. Subtract 9 minus 5 4. Now bring down 0 here. Okay, now 5 8 ja 40. Okay, so percentage 18, remainder 0. Okay, so like this you have to do. B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 12. A part 608 divided by 4. Okay, so divide. 608 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 2. Now bring down 0 here. 4 5 ja 20. Remainder यहाँ पे 0. Now again 8. 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so remainder 0. Okay, so like this you have to do. Answer is 152 and the B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 13. Same like this you have to do with question number 13 and 14. I have done one part for you, and B, C, D is your homework, and question number 15 is also homework. Okay, now the next is, now at page number 89, division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, so the 0 in the divisor 10, 100 or 1000 help in getting the answer. Means 2, 5, 6, 7. If we divide by 10, the quotient will be 256 and the remainder will be 7 क्योंकि here 10. Okay, now 2567 divide by 100. Here are 20, so here remainder will be 2 digit, last 2 digit, and 25 will be quotient. Okay, and same 2567 if divided by 1000. Okay, so here 30 are here, so here remainder will be 567 and the quotient is 2 and the remainder is this one. Okay, so like this you have to do. This is your homework and this is your exercise. 47 divided by 10. So here only 1 0 in 10. So here 7 is the remainder and 4 is the quotient. Okay, 332 divided by 10. So here 33 is quotient and 2 is the remainder. Only 1 0. So last digit is remainder, only 1. Okay, now look, 564 divided by 100. So 2 0. So last 2 digits are remainder and quotient is 5. Okay, so like this you have to do this, and this is your homework. Now the next at page number 90, division by 2 digit numbers. Okay, so the first digit of the dividend will be always less than the 2 digit divisor. So start with the first 2 digit of the dividend. Okay, dividend के first 2 digit से start करते हैं हम. So here exercise 9b, divide. So for it take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 9b. Question number 1, A part, 111 divided by 11. So here are 2 digits, so we start from 2 digits here. Okay, so 11 बन जा 11 minus here 0 0. Now bring down 1 here, so 11 0 जा 1 minus 0 1. So here quotient is 10 and the remainder is 1. Okay, now second question, 121 divided by 11. 11 बन जा 11. Now 2 minus 1 1. Now bring down this one here, again 11 बन जा 11. Okay, so here answer is 11. Quotient is 11 and remainder is 0. Okay, so like this you have to do. C and D is your homework. Now question number 2, 132 divided by 12. So 12 बन जा 12. Subtract 3 minus 2 1 and bring down 2 here like this. Now 12 बन जा 12 again 0. So here quotient is 11. Okay, B part I have done for you. Okay, now C and D is your homework. Now question number 3, A part and B part. So look the B part, 13 5 5 6. So read the table of 13 13. 4 ja 52. Subtract 5 minus 2 3 and bring down 6 here. Now 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 16. Sorry, 3 2 ja 26. Subtract. Okay, now here answer is 42. Quotient is 42 and remainder is 10. Okay, now C D is your homework. Now question number 4, A part, 154 divided by 14. 14 1 ja 14. Subtract 5 minus 4 1. Now bring down this 4 here. 14 1 ja 14. Answer is 11. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Okay, now next question number 5, 300 divide by 15. 15 to the 30, 0, 0. Now bring down this 0 here. 15 0 the 0. So answer is here 20. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. C and D is your homework. Okay. Now the next is page number 91, exercise 9C. Story sums are here. Question number 1. A bus has 8 rows of seats. Each row has equal number of seats. If 48 children can sit in the bus, how many seats are there in each row? So for each row we have to divide 48 by 8. Okay, 8 6 ja 48, 0 0. So there are 6 seats in each row. Okay, now 112 pencils were divided equally among 9 children. How many pencils did each child get? How many pencils are left? So we have to divide 112 by 9. 9 1 ja 9, subtract. So here 2. Now bring down this 2 here. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27 is more than 22. So 9 2 ja 18. Subtract 4. Okay, so each child got 12 pencils and 4 pencils were left. Okay, so these questions, 2 questions have been done in your book already. So now the question number 3 you have to do in your notebook. So take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 9C, page number 91. So the question is, Tom stuck 76 photos in his album. If he stuck 4 photos on each page, how many pages did he use? So for it, divide 76 by 4 like this. Answer is 19. So he used 19 pages. Okay. Now question number 4. Mo can cut 7 pieces out of one cake. How many cakes does she need for 84 gets? So one cake 7 pieces. So for 84 gets, so divide 84 by 7. So 12. So she needs 12 cakes. Okay. Now the next question number 5. 127 flowers were divided equally to make 8 rangolis. How many flowers were used for each? How many flowers were left? So total flowers are 127 and we have to make 8 rangolis. So in each rangoli divide 127 by 8. So 15 flowers are used for each rangoli. And here reminder is 7. So 7 flowers were left. Now the question number 6. A part. If 144 books are placed equally on 12 shelves, how many are there on each shelf? Okay. So total books are 124. We have to arrange these 144 books in 12 shelves equally. So divide 144 by 12. So answer you will get 12. So 12 books are there on each shelf. Okay. Now the B part. If 6 glasses are packed in a box, how many boxes are needed for 84 glasses? So divide 84 by 6. So total 14 boxes are needed for 84 glasses. Now the question number 3. Sri needs 315 earthen lamps to decorate his house. The lamps come in boxes of 15. How many boxes should he buy? So for it, divide 315 by 15. So answer is 21. So he should buy 21 boxes. Okay, now the D part is your homework. Now at page number 93, review worksheet 3. Okay, so you have to do this review worksheet yourself. आपको ये रिव्यू वर्कशीट खुद ही करनी है. आई हैव डन two questions of each questions. Okay, two parts I have done. Rest question you have to do yourself in your homework. Okay, so like this you have to do. So do it yourself. Okay, now your half yearly syllabus has finished. Do all the work properly and homework also. Next time we will do revision work. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.